Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I think you all are fine. In the previous class, we are discussing about the comparison of quantities. Comparison of quantities in the ratio. Ratio means if we are going to compare two quantity, then it is called as the ratio. In the numerator, the two terms are there. We can write the ratio in the form of a by b. A is called numerator, b is called the denominator. And then in the last class we discussed about the proportion. Equality of two ratios is called as the proportion. And we solve some problems, exercise problems also. In today's class also we'll solve some problems. In the exercise 8.1 they had given, in a computer lab there are 3 computers for every 6 students. Every 6 students, how many computers are there? 3 computers. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? For this year, what we need to find, for one student how many computers are needed, and then for 12 computers how many students we can find. Therefore here first we'll consider for 6 students number of computers required is equal to 3. 6 students ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು computers ಬೇಕು? 3. 1 students ಗೆ computer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 24 into 1 by 2. That is 24 into 1 by 2. For 24 students number of computer required is equal to 12. 24 students ಗೆ computer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 12 computers ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Hence 12 computers are required for 12 students. 12 computers are required for 24 students. 24 students ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is 12 computers will be needed. Population of Rajasthan 570 lakh, population of UP 1660 lakh, area of Rajasthan 3 lakh kilometer square, area of UP that is Uttar Pradesh 2 lakh kilometer square. How many people are there per kilometer square in both the states? Which state is less populated? Population of Rajasthan in 3 kilometer area 570 lakh ಇದೆ. Population of Rajasthan in 1 kilometer square is equal to 570 divided by 3, that is equal to 190 lakh. 1 kilometer square ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ? 190 lakh. Population of UP in 2 kilometer square is equal to 1660 lakh. Therefore population of UP in 1 kilometer square, 1 kilometer square ಅಲ್ಲಿ population ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 830 lakh ಇದೆ. Therefore it can be observed that population per kilometer square area is lesser for Rajasthan. Therefore Rajasthan is less populated. Rajasthan per 1 kilometer square, here the population is 190 lakh, but for Uttar Pradesh the 1 kilometer square area the population is 830 lakh. Therefore Uttar Pradesh is more populated and Rajasthan is less populated. Next, percentage. Percentage means it is the another way of comparing quantities. ನಾವು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೇನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 100. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು percentage is also a fraction, but here the denominator always should be equal to 100. 1% is equal to 1 by 100, that is equal to 0.01. In ratios we had to make the denominator same, then only we can compare them, but in percentage we can compare by calculating the percentage of the quantity. Ratios ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್. The percentage is the numerator of the fraction with the 100 denominators. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 100 ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್. ದ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. 1 out of 100 is equal to 1 by 100, 0.01. Therefore it shows that if the total number of quantity is 100, part divided by whole is equal to percentage. Part divided by whole is equal to percentage. What is the percentage of boys and girls in the class of 100 students if the number of boys is 55 and the number of girls is 45? ಇಲ್ಲಿ percentage of girls ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ? number of girls by total number of students in the class. Number of girls 45, the total number of students 100. 45 by 100 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 45 percentage. Percentage of boys, number of boys by total number of students in the class, 55 by 100, that is 55 percentage. Percentage if the total is not a 100 ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್, ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, if the total number of quantity is not 100, that is the denominator is not 100, then we find the percentage. We need to make the denominator 100. denominator ನ 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್, out of 4 bees 2 are going right and 2 are going left. 4 bees ಇದೆ, 2 right ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 2 ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. what is the percentage of bees in going right? out of 4 the number of bees are going right is 2. Therefore, hence out of 100 the number of bees going right is 2 by 4 into 100, that is equal to 50%. 50% of bees are going right, 50% of bees are going left. Next, converting fraction numbers to percentage. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? fraction number have different denominators, and to convert them into percentage we have to multiply the fraction with 100. percentage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we should multiply that fraction with 100. out of, here we'll consider an example, out of 15 fishes 5 are red. what is the percentage of red fishes? Here total 15 fishes are there in this box, 5 are red. now we need to find the percentage of this one, that is 5 by 15 into 100. total 15 fishes are there, 5 red means 5 by 15 into 100, that is equal to 33 1 by 3 percentage. Next, converting decimal to percentage. to convert the decimal into percentage, first we need to convert the decimal into fraction, then multiply it by 100. here we have to convert the decimal into percentage, means first we need to convert that into fraction, and that answer should be multiplied by 100. convert 0.65 into percentage. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.65 ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 65 by 100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 65%. converting percentage to fractions or decimals. We can reverse the above process to convert the percentage into fraction or decimal. Percent, 2%, 23%, 56% are there. We need to write them into fractions. 2 by 100, 23 by 100, 56 by 100. How can we write this in the decimal? Means 0.02, 0.23, 0.56. Parts always add to give a whole. If we know the one part of a whole, then we can find the other part, because all the parts together form a whole or 100%. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಲ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, because part are always the part together to form a whole. Here we'll consider example. if there are 25 men in the office of 100 employees, then the remaining should be 75 would be women. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25